What is the one thing everyone hates about managing their money? It's the feeling that you're just bleeding cash from places you can't even see. Those random subscriptions, the bills that feel too high, the feeling that you're just not in control. That's exactly why we created Rocket Money. But we know you have questions, so today we're answering your top FAQs. First up, is Rocket Money secure? This is a big one, and the short answer is yes. We use bank-level 256-bit encryption. We partner with a company called Plaid to link your accounts, which means we never even see or store your login credentials. We simply get an encrypted token that allows us to see your transactions and balances, so we can't move your money even if we wanted to. Your data's protected and you're always in control. Next, how does Rocket Money actually find my subscriptions? Our algorithm is pretty smart. When you link your accounts, it scans your transaction history for recurring payments. It's not just looking for the big names you'd expect, but all those smaller services too. It puts them all in one easy-to-read list, so you can see exactly what you're paying for and how often. And speaking of subscriptions, can Rocket Money really cancel them for me? Yes. This is one of our most popular features. For many services, a premium membership allows you to simply click a button, and our team gets to work canceling it on your behalf. For others, we'll provide you with step-by-step instructions to make the process as painless as possible. Finally, what's the deal with the bill negotiation service? If you're a premium member and you see a bill that seems too high, you can submit it to us. Our team of expert negotiators will call on your behalf to try and lower the rate. There's no upfront cost, we only take a percentage of the savings we get you, and you only pay if we're successful. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.